Ek stel daarin belang om Afrikaans te leer. I'm interested in learning Afrikaans. Stel belang daarin means to be interested in something. Om Afrikaans te leer means to learn Afrikaans, or in this case, learning Afrikaans. Ek is gewillig om Afrikaans te leer. I am willing to learn Afrikaans. Want me to answer your Afrikaans question? Become a subscriber and I will prioritize your Afrikaans questions, including homework help and other Afrikaans learning questions.